Europe's landscapes are ever changing. Forests grow, rivers shift course, and cities expand. Managing these changes is not a game of chance. Careful efforts are required to shape a future where nature and people can thrive and resources are preserved, not depleted. If well played, this challenge results in a win for all. Welcome to Geo Game Night, where players assume different characters and tackle geographical challenges. Tonight's dataset of choice is the CLCplus Backbone land cover product. Let's check out one of the tables. First up is Thomas, whose game card challenges him to play a water manager and minimize flood risks along the Danube River. With the freely accessible CLCplus Backbone and its pan-European coverage, Thomas can easily map key water bodies within the entire Danube catchment. After identifying how the surrounding land cover influences their physical properties, he can take informed measures to minimize flooding in vulnerable areas. Next in turn is Isabel. She has drawn the card of a logistics manager who needs to find a good site for their manufacturing company in Germany's Ruhr Valley. Thanks to its 10-meter resolution, CLCplus Backbone offers accurate local scale information. This allows Isabel to identify suitable spots for her company, where proximity to urban infrastructure can be inferred and environmental impacts limited. Finally, we have Elena, who has picked the role of an academic researcher investigating the impacts of land cover change on habitat connectivity and wildlife migration in Italy. With CLCplus Backbone, Elena can map key landscape elements like forest, grassland, and semi-natural areas. The product's 2-year update cycle allows her to monitor dynamics in time and develop long-term conservation strategies for interconnected ecosystems. What will your move be? Leverage CLCplus Backbone for cross-cutting applications like Thomas, Isabel, and Elena. This isn't a game with one winner, it's about gaining insights and taking smart decisions, leading to shared benefits. Visit our website to learn more about CLCplus Backbone and other possible applications.